Hey, what is up guys, it's LB, we live for everything here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about this accessory that you could have gotten today, day 10 on the Royal High Advent calendar, because this right here, this is the story. So before school, I got my present from my friend, and I was playing Royal High for about 20 minutes, and I was like, oh, okay, it looks nice. So when I really checked it out, it reminded me of a halo. Then later that day, somebody also said that it looks like a halo. So I was like, oh yeah, so we had the same thought. And they added something else to make it look like the Royal High 2020 halo. And I was like, oh yeah, it kind of does. So as you can see right here, this is it. At first, I thought it really looked like a halo. Then I saw this other YouTuber girl saying that you could make it look like a halo with this this one right here, this accessory right here, which is 8,000 diamonds. That's kind of pretty expensive to me. And then so I don't know how to explain it, but it really makes it look like the Royal High Winter 2020 halo. But this by itself just reminded me a lot about a halo, even though it's not. This is something fun you could do. I'm sorry I cannot demonstrate for you. But so basically you have to buy this, put it on, put this on, and then it should look like it. I'm gonna pop a photo of it on the screen right now. Oof, wait, it didn't work. But I hope you can imagine it. So yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't demonstrate, but I'm actually trying to save. So yeah, so you could go ahead and try that. So this is basically a video how to make your own custom made halo. Well actually I think this is pretty cool. But yeah, all I have to do once again is add this, put this on, and it looks like the Winter Halo 2020. And I just find it so pretty. And yeah, and you want me to compare them side to side, I will gladly do. Okay, I do not know what's happening with my recorder, but it will not let me share it. It's not to come. It's literally did. Oh, he did, but it will not let me. Whoa! Wow. Okay, Beastie Snow Antlers. What is this? What is? Okay, so okay, that's that's quite pretty. Now that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up and like is the same thing. Do both at it right now. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and comment down below. But until next time, peace.